Hi guys. Um so I'm here with my new setup. Yesterday was my birthday and my hubby got me a GoPro camera for doing my videos. And so now it's very exciting because I have like a somewhat professional setup. Woohoo! So I'm here today to do a little bit of organization. I have all of this that needs to get put in my ephemera books. So I did a bunch of fussy cutting and I've got this bag full, and then this was stuff that I had fussy cut a while ago. So that's what we're gonna do today. So this is my current ephemera book, which has baseball card holders, and I really like baseball card holders because you can see what you have. So my thoughts is to transfer over these baseball card holders into my new ephemera book, because I have, this is Shabby Dabby Doodah here, her section, and I have like fabulous flowers and a lot of them, and I cut out a bunch more, so I kind of want to have like all of that stuff together. So I'm gonna take out the baseball card holders that are in this binder. I still have a little bit of fussy cutting to do. This is stuff that's been in here for some time, and I would like to start using it, so that will probably be tonight while I'm watching TV. But I'm gonna take this out. I think I'm gonna use this book strictly for my digital download pages. So I think that's gonna be a better way for me to use it. And I actually have another binder that has page protectors. So instead of these homemade pages using crappy scrapbook paper that I don't care about, I think I'm going to use the page protectors, and this way I can organize either by artist or by kit, probably most likely by artist. Although I might have subcategories, because Shabby Dabby Doodah is one of my favorite digital downloads, and I've got several kits in here alone. Plus what I have back here, which is more Shabby Dabby Doodah. So I think I'll probably have some sub kits for her. I may still keep these because I've got like larger ephemera pieces. So I don't know, it's a work in progress, but we're not here to work on that today. That's a project for another day. And this is my project for today. So let's put this back. Okay. And this is my new binder that I got, you know, back to school season. And it's just a 2-inch, regular 2-inch school binder. Sure, I have plenty of room on my desk. And so I'm going to use this for my ephemera. Like I said, everybody's got different ways of storing their ephemera. There's those cute decorative books that everyone's kind of making or buying or whatever. But this is my preferred way of doing it. And I feel like I can see what I have, and it works for me. I've had this ephemera in here for like the last year. So it's worked for me, and I'm going to keep doing it. So let's get these in. We may put these in some sort of order, we may not. Right now I'm just sticking them in here. These are already, you know, used for, have stuff filled in them. I don't really want to reorganize all of it, so there's a couple of empty pockets, but most of the pockets are full. So this is, you know, a lot of Tim Holtz butterflies in here, and butterflies I cut out, some punch out butterflies, but then there's some birds and stuff in here too. So, you know, we all end up collecting a bunch of ephemera from digital downloads and what we purchase, and it does become overwhelming. So it's best to find a system to keep them organized. Like this is all tags. These are all labels here. They're not vintage labels I printed. They were ones that were given to me or purchased. Some more labels and miscellaneous stuff. There's the Tim Holtz tea cards and some other just miscellaneous stuff in here. I hope everybody's having a good day. Like I said, yesterday was my birthday. I turned the big 4-1, and so my husband and I had a wonderful day. So I purchased from Amazon more baseball card holders, and these say they have front and back pockets. So I kind of liked that because then I could double up instead of, these are single pockets, so you see the backs are kind of wasted. But these are supposed to be double pockets, so, which is kind of nice. I'm not going to obviously put them all in. There's 100 in here, but I'll grab a decent stack. And then I'll have these for, you know, when I build up more ephemera, because let's face it, that's what we do. Especially when you buy like the ephemera packs, or not the ephemera packs, the digital kits, and you know, some of them come loaded with ephemera, so it's kind of, you get a lot, and it's hard to use it all. So let's see if I'm doing this right. Ah, yes I am. Okay, so these do, okay, this is pockets in the back, and then these are pockets in the front, so that's gonna make things so nice. I'm excited, guys. I've been wanting to do this, and I know it's so silly, but this is exciting for me. So again, these, I think I'm gonna have all of my fabulous flowers in this page, so I'm gonna pull out these pieces, which is a mix of the Beauty Fair kit and the Gorgeous Girls kit, I think, which I actually just printed a bunch more from that as well. For my shabby chic. Actually, can you see over there? Of course I moved you. I am previewing you on my phone so I can make sure I'm actually in screen and you can totally see this. This is lovely. All right. So again, these butterflies are mixed. This is also the Gorgeous Girls and the Beauty Fair kit. So all of this is shabby dabby doo-dah. We will move that into a different page and just set that aside for right now. So I have, okay. All right, so these are just one of the pages, or maybe two of the pages, with her Fabulous Flowers kit, and this is all the same color. So this tag, not tag, label, I'm going to put somewhere else. And what I've been trying to do is kind of have them color coordinated. This has pink and purple, and that was just because I ran out of pages, so I might even separate the purple out of there and just have the pink. But for now, we'll just put the white in there, or cream colored. I mean, that's, oh, that page is starting to tear. I guess I use these a lot, or have used these a lot. But good thing I have extras, right? All right, so I'll zip through this because you're not going to want to see me sorting colors. So I'll speed through this, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I've got my purple and my pink separated. So we'll put the pink back there and then the purple in the next one and continue to move on. I'm not going to bore you with filling all of these right now because I've got a ton of ephemera. So I think what I'll do is I will come back at the end and I will show you what the final product looks like, and we can do a little flip through. So I really hope that this is something that you guys are interested in. I mean, like I said, this is what works for me, and it might be something that would work for you too. I mean, binders are fairly inexpensive, and I think my new baseball card holders were like $10 for 100 pages. So you actually get 900 baseball card slots. So I think that's pretty awesome. And actually you get 1800 because you get front and back. So that's pretty cool. But anyway, like I said, I'll be back when I am done doing this, and thanks for watching, and I will be back at the end. Bye guys, for now. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm still not finished, but I need to be done for today. But I just wanted to kind of show you how it looks. So these are larger ephemera pieces. This one still needs to be cut out. I have a couple of other things that need cut out, but I got so many of these stamps right in here that I'm not going to worry about that until I actually need to cut them out. So on this side is where it starts, and I've got my numbers from Shabby Dabby Doodah, and you know, a lot of this stuff was in here. These were the stamps. I did just put those in there. Some of these I had to put clips on the top because they're so small that they were falling out. So like these two, I have paper clips on the top, and it's just keeping them secured in there when I flip through it. And I've got all my labels, and again some more labels. These are Tracy Fox. These are still the butterflies and birds. Not everything is organized perfectly, but you know, nothing ever is organized perfectly unless you're Martha Stewart, and I am far from Martha Stewart. So here is another cutout thing I had from Pinterest. These are ATC size cards that were from Antique Papery, and the reason they look kind of odd is because I was running out of ink, but I'm like the one that's like, I'm going to use it till the last drop. Even if I don't have perfect coloring, it can still be used in a project. So, and then these were all here, all the tags. This is all stuff that was here. I did put all of my fabulous flowers, and then in here in the pink there's just some miscellaneous flowers in there as well, but pretty much all of these are fabulous flowers. And then this is like all Shabby Dabby Doodah, basically starting here. You know, several kits that I've purchased. And then I like this because I can fill this in. I still have some of this kit I have to cut out. My dog is trying to say hello. Are you saying hi? I don't know if you can see him. Hi, I know. Okay, his daddy's outside and he's very upset. So I left these empty here in the back because I still have some of this to cut out. And then this is her vintage ephemera kit, which is awesome. And then the butterfly house ephemera pieces. I think butterfly house. I'm not 100% sure. And then I mixed in some butterflies that were from the vintage ephemera as well. So that's what I've gotten done so far. That's pretty darn good if you ask me. I still have several little pockets that I need to empty and go through and all of that, but I am done for the day is what I am for doing this organization stuff. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'm really sorry about the poor lighting. The sun, it's the afternoon and the sun just comes through my window, which is not a bad thing. but for filming it's a bad thing. I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye!